na.
Yeah! Good afternoon, everybody!
Good afternoon.
Welcome to Bulacan University.
You're ready, guys?
Yeah.
I thought you're not ready. Okay, I'm your DJ for today. Okay?
Oh, no.
Okay, listen to my side step. I'm your DJ in the house. Do you like that?
Yeah.
Okay, come on. Double cuts in the studio. Make some noise. Come on. Come on, noise. Come on. I can hear you. Make some noise. Come on. Let me hear your yay. One more time. Okay, how about ho ho? Ho ho. Ho ho ho. It's Christmas time once again. So we're here to give you a different kind of concert. A concert that is surely top. Because once again, we will feature the top hits of Mr. Joey De Leon. So, are you ready for a Christmas party?
Yeah!
Okay, if you're ready, I'm here. So let's get it on.
Oh, yeah!
Come on. Guys, do you remember this song?
What's up?
Come on.
Ang Disyembre ko ay malungkot pagkat miss kita.
Oh, if you like that song, wherever Christmas is up and about, well, you will like this more. This is your Christmas top hits number 4.
Wait.
Why?
Sup, DJ? We have exchange student.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, we have a special guest.
Okay.
I would like to call my Comare. She's gonna die. Give it up, Ina Montesino.
What's up?
Student. Let's do this, Comare. Of course. Let's go.
Okay, go.
To be paid.
Hi there!
Exchange student ako, bakit? O, di ba, Day? Una pala tayo. O, galingan natin, ha?
Yes.
Huwag tayo mamutali sa mga bakla, ha? Go! Ang Disyembre ko
Yes.
malungkot
Isa.
pagkat may misis ka.
Wow!
Sabi mo kasi binata ka, buwisit ka. This Christmas, nasaan na ngayon gift mo? Ang Hermes pag nasabi mo wala nga ako. Kahit man ang sana paper bag ay binigyan mo ako.
kasi, Mare.
Bakit naman, Mare? Diyos ko. O, ano na?
Ano na, Mela?
O, kaya niyo ba yun, ha?
Thank you, guys.
Binitbit?
Thank you.
Oo, hayop.
That's a Christmas with remembrance. Now for more Christmas music in the air. Do you remember this song?
I know you're gonna dig this. Oh yeah.
Kay sigla ng gabi, ang lahat ay kay saya. Nagluto ang ate, ng manok na tinola. Sa bahay ng kuya, ay mayroong litsunan pa. Kapawat, mahonan, tirandang iba-iba.
Okay, if you like that, you will like this better than you ever do. Do you like that?
Yes. Oh, yeah.
If you like that, okay, boys, Kippy, Polo, Michael B, sing your heart out. This is Stop It, number 3333333.
Sir, excuse me.
Just a minute. Why, oh why?
One of our classmates, it's his birthday today.
Oh, yeah! Day to you.
Birthday, neighbor.
I make a wish.
Yeah!
Maraming salamat sa aking Eid Bulaga family. Mr. T, thank you very much. Tita Malu, thank you very much. TVJ, ang aking inspirasyon, ang aking mentor. TVJ, I'll always be your protege. I love you, Mama. Chup, chup.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Birthday ni Bitoy.
Are you ready?
We're ready!
We are ready.
Music, please!
Ano? Alam kayo?
Come on, everybody.
Kay sigla ng showbiz, ang lahat ay kay saya. Ang buhay na naman, ang mga pelikula. Ang dami pang bago, pogi at magaganda. Ang bawat istasyon may baklang kanya-kanya.
Tayo nagiliw,
Tumuhod na tayo, basta magdala ng $2 Sige na ikaw ay magpakupo at wag kang gumaya kay Pedro. Itong si Pedro nagpapakamacho, meron pang labi, bumebeso-beso. Nang may ilis na dumapo sa ulo, ang taas ng gilid ni Pedro. Ay, ng muscle at ang dami ng labsya, ang laki ng boses para magsisiyatra. Pag-uwi ng bahay sa kwarto ay bisita, na marami ringas at kahaliganiya. Tayo na, Becky, magkaroon na tayo. Suot mo na rin kung isileto. Let's go hunting, darling, sa gabi ito. At bukas may shooting pa tayo. At bukas may taping pa tayo. At bukas meron pa tayong show.
Halika na, magpahinga na tayo. Halika na tayo. Let's go!
show na tayo.